Still chained to your desk like it's 1999? Meet the mounted, sit-stand beast with dual monitor muscle. Let's be real, your desk setup is a crime scene. You're hunched over like a gremlin, toggling between tasks on mismatched screens, your productivity suffocating under clutter and bad posture. Your back's plotting revenge, your neck's stiff as a conspiracy, and don't even mention that ergonomic disaster you bought on sale. You're stuck, frustrated, and scrambling for efficiency, but your gear's about as modern as dial-up internet. Face it, the daily desk grind is chewing through your motivation like expired office coffee. Time to break free from the outdated setup that's holding your work hostage. Now imagine that mess, but worse. It's 3 p.m. Deadline's in an hour. Your spine screaming louder than your inbox. Your monitors are playing Leaning Tower of Pisa, and you've re-entered the burnout zone again. Motivation? Am I out of focus? Forget it. You waste time fiddling with screen angles, battling shoulder cramps, and shifting positions like a budget yoga class. Let's not sugarcoat it, you're working harder, not smarter. That's not just inefficient, it's career sabotage. And it's all because your workspace is failing you. You deserve better than a desk setup that fights you every inch of the day. Enter the mounted, standing desk converter, your productivity's new best friend and your spine savior. This isn't just a riser, it's a full-blown workflow resurrection device. With a gas spring lift that glides between sitting and standing like butter on a hot skillet, and dual monitor mounts that flex, tilt, and swivel to your will, you're not just adjusting your setup, you're taking control. Say goodbye to slouchy chaos and hello to 36 inches of glossy, glorious desk real estate that's as serious about performance as you are. It's sleek. It's solid. It's salvation. Ready to feel the transformation? The mounted converter simplifies your workflow instantly, no apps, no assembly trauma. Just smooth up-down transitions, dual monitor control, and real-deal cable management to keep your desk as clean as your goals. Designed to reduce back pain and eye strain while boosting focus, this beast holds up to 33 pounds with unwavering stability. Toss in its generous keyboard tray and manual lift? You've got ergonomic bliss wrapped in black gloss brilliance. Real results, real fast, because your time should be spent winning, not whining about your work setup. So stop settling for desk drama. Upgrade to power, posture, and peace of mind. The mounted, standing desk converter is your ticket out of workspace purgatory and into peak performance. With US-based support, a lifetime warranty, and enough badass energy to make your coworkers jealous, there's zero reason to wait. Click Add to Cart now and reclaim your productivity, your comfort, and your sanity. Your dream desk just stood up and said, "Let's go."